Another wireless technology that you may actually never have heard of before is called ZigBee. ZigBee is based on another IEEE standard, 802.15.4, and it's used to create personal area networks. What do we mean by a personal area network? Well, a personal area network is actually smaller than a local area network, and it's really designed for very specific uses. So I wouldn't connect a large number of disparate devices to a personal area network, for example. What I would probably do would be to connect some number of devices that are the same or very similar. So, one thing I might do, for example, is use a ZigBee personal area network for lighting, temperature control, safety and security, and those sorts of things for home automation within my house. That would be a personal area network. You may use wireless sensors for various functions, for example, security. You may use a personal area network using ZigBee for that. ZigBee's used in industrial control. It's used in medical data collection, building automation. So automation, sensing, those sorts of things are what ZigBee would be used for. Similar to Bluetooth, ZigBee actually has a number of application profiles that are specific to ZigBee. So, for example, we've got ZigBee home automation, smart energy, telecommunication services, healthcare, and so forth. So, Bluetooth and ZigBee are similar in that regard. There are a number of application profiles for both of them that really define the types of traffic and the types of functions that are going to be carried over this wireless communication mechanism. So ZigBee is used for, as I said, personal area networks. It's got a reasonably small range, 10 to 20 meters generally. It's very low power, which is one of the advantages to it. It doesn't require a lot of power in order to run. However, one thing that it does have a problem with is that it's also low bandwidth. So you can see here that ZigBee has a defined rate of 250 kilobits per second, and that's really not going to be great for doing, for example, a lot of streaming video. It is going to be good for sending small amounts of information that you might use, again, in industrial control, home automation, those sorts of things.